Once upon a time, in a beautiful, green valley surrounded by tall mountains, there lived a little goat named Benny. Benny was small, white, and fluffy. He lived on a farm with many other animals, including cows, chickens, ducks, and sheep. Although Benny was the smallest goat on the farm, he had a big heart. He loved exploring new places and helping others. Although Benny was the smallest goat on the farm, he had a big heart. He loved exploring new places and helping others. But there was one problem: many animals thought he was too small to do anything important. "You're just a little goat," the sheep often said. "You should stay close to the farm," the cows advised. But Benny dreamed of great adventures. One sunny morning, Benny was grazing near the edge of the valley when he heard a loud cry. "Help! Help!" Benny looked around and saw a little rabbit trapped in a thorny bush. Without hesitation, Benny ran over. "Don't worry," he said. "I'll help you." Using his small horns, Benny carefully pushed the branches aside. After a few minutes, the rabbit was free. "Thank you, Benny," said the rabbit happily. Benny smiled. Helping others made him feel proud. A few days later, dark clouds gathered over the valley. A strong storm was coming. The farmer quickly brought the animals into their shelters. Rain poured from the sky and thunder shook the ground. That night, the storm became even stronger. Suddenly, a large tree branch crashed onto the fence near the sheep's field, creating a big opening. The next morning, the sheep discovered the broken fence. "Oh no," they cried. "What if wild animals come through the gap?" The animals were worried. The farmer was away in town and would not return until evening. "We need help," said the oldest sheep. Benny looked at the broken fence and had an idea. "We can fix it ourselves," he said. The sheep laughed. "You fix a fence?" But Benny didn't give up. He gathered the chickens, ducks, and rabbits. "Let's work together," he said. The animals collected sticks, branches, and rope lying around the farm. Benny organized everyone. The rabbits carried small sticks. The ducks brought pieces of rope. The chickens gathered twigs. For hours, they worked. By afternoon, they had built a temporary fence strong enough to keep the sheep safe. When the farmer returned, he was amazed. "Who did this wonderful work?" he asked. "Benny did," all the animals replied. The farmer smiled proudly. "Well done, little goat," For the first time, the sheep saw Benny differently. Maybe he wasn't too small after all. A week later, another challenge appeared. Near the valley stood a narrow, wooden bridge crossing a river. One day, a young calf wandered across the bridge and became stuck in the middle. The bridge shook whenever the calf moved. The calf was terrified. "I can't move," he cried. The larger animals wanted to help, but they were too heavy to cross the old bridge safely. Everyone stood helplessly on the riverbank. Then Benny stepped forward. "I'm light enough to cross." The animals looked at him nervously. "It's dangerous," said a cow. But Benny was determined. Carefully, he stepped onto the bridge. The wooden boards creaked beneath his hooves. Slowly and steadily, walked toward the frightened calf. "Don't be scared," Benny said gently. "I'm here." The calf took a deep breath. Benny showed him where to place each step. Together they moved slowly across the bridge. After several tense minutes, they safely reached the other side. The animals cheered loudly. "Benny is a hero," shouted the ducks. The calf thanked him again and again. As time passed, Benny became known throughout the valley for his bravery and kindness. But his greatest adventure was still ahead. One summer afternoon, Benny was exploring near the mountains when he heard a strange sound. It was coming from a small cave. He cautiously walked closer. Inside the cave, he found 3 baby foxes. They were hungry, scared, alone. Benny looked around but couldn't find their mother. The little foxes whimpered sadly. Benny knew they needed help. He hurried back to the farm and told the animals. Some animals were afraid.